active. Today we are going to do the protein-rich recipe. It has got a lot of lettuce, chicken, marinated chicken, which has got in a barbecue sauce, a lot of marinated other ingredients are there, and softened tomatoes are there, garlic, and the olive oil comes, basil comes in it, oregano. Let's do it. Yeah, thank you. Well, this recipe need a proper marination for the chicken. All right. So the marination comes like, I'm going to add some of the Worcestershire sauce, which is a beautiful and marination for this. This will make tender the chicken. And for the taste, we'll have some barbecue. All right. And here the mustard goes. It's wonderful, beautiful yellow mustard. Okay, that's more than enough. And beautiful olive oil. All right. And let's add some oregano. Let's have some thyme in it. Simple. We'll keep it simple. You don't have to go for a lot of other ingredients which make a lot of confusion. A little bit of chili flakes, and a bit of chopped parsley and garlic. Garlic is an important stuff. Now I'm going to add a little bit of 1-2 basil as well. So, and the salt goes right now, which is a Himalayan salt. That's enough. Just mix them up. All right. Wow, beautiful. That's beautiful marination. And the chicken goes. I've already cut the chicken in a breast, and this has got a lot of cutting on it. I've given another deep cut so that all the ingredients, all the marinade goes into the chicken, inside the chicken. So when you eat that, you will feel the flavor of chicken, and the marination goes everywhere. All right. See. Okay. All right. Now about butter. I think that's more than enough right now. We'll add enough butter later on tomorrow, later on. Once it started melting, you can add that beautifully marinated chicken. And that extra marination just put on the top. There you go. Started cooking right now. I think we'll have another knob of butter on the side. All right. Just tilt your pan so that all the butter goes around the pan. A little bit simmering in the butter. I would prefer to go for a little bit olive oil in it so that the butter won't get burned. All right, keep it low. The low heat will give you the full flavor to come out. All right. So let that chicken get cooked. By the time we'll do the salad right now. All right. pimentos goes in it, which is roasted and softened. All right. You will have olives, some of the beans. I've got kidney beans and garbanzo, which is chickpea, and few olives, black. You have beautiful green, and some of the basil, some of the parsley, a little bit of chili flakes, which is good for palate, and salt goes in it. Yeah, that's well enough. And olive oil, obviously. For the citrus, I'm going to add a little bit of Worcestershire. Right. Give a mix. Beautiful. See, look at that, the pimentos and the olives and the beans. Beautiful color. It has got a lot of protein in it. Okay. Once that's done, some of the pepper. Fresh pepper always gives a great flavor to the dish. Whatever it is, you mill the fresh pepper. Milling the fresh pepper gives you a exercise as well. All right. Okay. Let's start building the dish salad. I've already put the mixed lettuce over here. All right, I'm going to put this up on the top of the salad, the lettuce. All right, this goes beautifully into this. All right, chicken is done, and it goes right on the top of the salad. All right, then hot chicken right on the side. You can keep it. It's easy to have it. I made it into pieces, so that it's pretty easy to have it. And I would suggest, I love to have this butter upon the salad, of the salad. Oh, look at that, the bubbling butter goes on it. All right, there's some of the garlic. It gives the final taste to the salad. And I roasted some lotus seeds, which is again in a superfood. It goes up the salad. All right, it makes a complete meal. Thank you so much. Enjoy your salad, protein salad with the chicken and pimentos and olives and a lot of lettuce. I hope you will love this recipe. Thank you so much.